Thing is taking care of L1, L2, L3 inside here,
There's overload. Yeah.
and this one inside here
this
too.
This one is basically with the relay. It tells the relay there's an overload.
Oh, tells which relay?
That relay.
Oh, okay. And so when I see these buttons and I can reset, that's an overload relay.
Yeah, that's overload.
Okay,
The overload is this sign.
got it. That's
So
on it.
it's just that. That means overload. Okay. So this has all of them. So you have contactors, you have overload controllers, which is like for simple order.
So is this and this in that?
This has all the this has contactor and overload. This is a manual contactor.
Oh,
So it has both.
so is this a contactor or is this just
a
a?
contactor? Yeah, the relay is a contactor. This is a contactor basically.
So it
And then the overload is this one.
so it sounds like I combined these two to become that one.
Yeah. But this one is only like it's just a manual runner. So it doesn't have like indicator or anything like that. So.
Okay. Pressure liquid level switch.
Is that cool?
Yeah, very cool.
Yeah. So we'll do